What are those nutrients one needs to maximize one's health? You must have heard of the phrase, "You are whatever you eat." This phrase has dated back to the 18th century, but you will be surprised that it has taken more than centuries to pinpoint exactly what one needs to eat to stay as healthy as possible. According to experts, or even general opinion, food is the fuel the body needs to function optimally. So, just like an automobile, if you do not buy high-grade fuel, your automobile will not be able to function properly. The same principle applies to the type of food we eat. Healthy eating is great, because it not only helps boost your mood and energy, it also increases the quality of life for them individually. It can also go a long way to prevent you from contracting several deadly diseases. Do you notice that you are adding a little too much weight, or are not able to sleep normally? You might want to start considering eating a smart diet. But at Healthy Life Side, we are asking the following question: what do you need to eat to stay healthy for longer? The answer is understanding the type of nutrients your body needs, and also doing what you must to get them. In no particular order, the top 5 nutrients that the body needs to function properly are: 1. Proteins. This is another essential source of energy the body needs. These proteins consist of amino acids, which tend to act as the building blocks for all the necessary parts of the body, such as bone, hair, skin, and muscles. They are also important in the production of enzymes, which can be described as catalysts that help to keep the body running, antibodies, and hormones. Some of the best sources of protein are poultry, seafood, peas, beans, nuts, seeds, lean meats, soy products, and eggs. 2. Minerals and vitamins. The body needs minerals and vitamins for a large number of physiological and biological functions that help us to survive. They are vital for normal development and growth, since each of them plays a specific role in maintaining the optimal health of an individual. For instance, vitamin D and calcium are required for healthy bones and to boost the nervous system. Healthy sources of minerals and vitamins include fruits, vegetables, lean protein sources, and even dairy products. You might want to consider eating a healthy source of vegetables and fruits. 3. Fats. Most people have a very bad idea of fats in their head, maybe because it is usually associated with not so great scenarios. However, they fail to realize that the body needs a certain amount of fat to stay healthy. When your body cannot synthesize enough carbohydrates, the body turns to fat. You may also need fat for body insulation, as it helps the body absorb some fat-soluble vitamins and even protect the vital organs of the body. You can get healthy fats in the forms of liquid and solid. However, the best sources of healthy fats are usually the liquid polyunsaturated and monosaturated fats that are usually found in canola oils, olive oils, corn oils, soybean oils, sunflower oils, seeds, avocados, nuts, and also fatty fish that are rich in omega-3 acids. Steer clear from foods that contain a higher level of unhealthy saturated fats like ice cream, butter, cheese, and red meat. Also, trans fats, such as hydrogenated oils and partially hydrogenated oils, can increase the chances of several diseases. 4. Carbohydrates. What is the main function of carbohydrates? To provide the body with the right amount of energy, it needs to get the work done. It is usually the main source of energy for the body, and is the only source of fuel for the brain. Your body has what it takes to break down carbohydrates into glucose, which is essential for the cells, because it provides them with the amount of energy they need. The best sources of carbohydrates are foods made from whole grains, and even the whole grains themselves. Foods like oatmeal, barley, brown rice, bulgur, cornmeal, and whole wheat bread are perfect examples. However, you should be careful not to exceed the normal intake of refined grains like white rice, white slices of bread, and white pasta, and also regulate your sugar levels. 5. Clean and ionized water. Some people tend to underestimate the functions of water in the body. Do you know that water is the key substance that can boost the vital bodily functions of the body? Studies have suggested that you can live for a few weeks without food, but only about 72 hours without water. Yes, this is because vital bodily functions are enabled by the consumption of water. There is no definite source of water in the world today, but there are some stipulated quantities for the consumption of water for both males and females. Men can consume about 125 ounces of water daily, while women can consume about 91 ounces of water daily. Remember that water can also be gotten from foods, so this should be factored into your consideration.